Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of car maintenance with the Hawk Automotive AC Recharge Kit. If you're looking to recharge your car's air conditioning system or even your refrigerator, this kit claims to have you covered. Stick around as we break down what this kit includes, its features, and why it might just be the best car AC recharge kit out there. Let's start by taking a look at what you get in the Hawk Automotive AC Recharge Kit. This kit is designed for both R1234YF and R134A systems, making it incredibly versatile. Inside the box, you'll find two low-side quick coupler adapters with flow control valves and quick-release safety blowback technology. Self-sealing can taps for R1234YF and R134A, ensuring compatibility with modern refrigerant cans. Puncture ports, also known as bullet valves, are perfect for sealed refrigerators or older vehicles. Brass, aluminum, and steel adapters for durability. And everything is backed by Amazon's hassle-free return policy, giving you peace of mind. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set this kit apart. Flow control valves. The quick coupler adapters come with flow control valves, allowing you to add more than one can at a time without restarting the whole setup. Self-sealing can taps. The kit includes self-sealing can taps for both R1234YF and R134A, ensuring compatibility with modern cans. Puncture ports. These bullet valves are a handy addition for sealed refrigerators or older vehicles when traditional ports have stopped working. Durability. All can taps and adapters are constructed from brass, aluminum, and steel, ensuring longevity. Versatility. This kit is suitable for automotive AC systems, fridges, and more, making it a versatile tool for your household needs. It's important to note that using this kit comes with responsibilities. Always follow manufacturer instructions for your specific vehicle. Safety first. Working on an AC system can be dangerous. Wear safety glasses and take necessary precautions. If in doubt, consult a professional or watch instructional videos on platforms like YouTube. In conclusion, the Hawk Automotive AC Recharge Kit offers a comprehensive solution for recharging your car's AC system or even your refrigerator. With features like flow control valves, self-sealing can taps, and puncture ports, it's a versatile and user-friendly option. Remember, safety is paramount when working with AC systems, so always exercise caution. This kit has received positive reviews for its sturdiness, ease of use, and value for money. So, if you need a reliable AC recharge kit, this might just be the best choice for you. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.